So guys, this is the question here that we have to, we're given this I, 4t cube ln t square plus 1, and there is this substitution given. Using this substitution, first of all, we have to show that this I can be written in this form, okay? So this is basically, if you people are good at algebra, so you can get at least half of the marks of this question. So first of all, this is 4t cube, 4t cube, and then there is ln t square plus 1. Acha, uh, sometimes if you just be a little bit patient over here, this can save a lot of time while substituting these things over here. Cube, dekhen. If I directly want to substitute this t cube over here, I need to know what is t, okay? So this t is going to be basically, this is t square, that is x minus 1. And then this t is going to be the square root of x minus 1. And then what will be t cube? That will be x minus 1 raised to power 3 by 2. Now this is your basic algebra, your O-level algebra. So when you have to do these things, people start thinking that perhaps the integration by substitution is a very difficult thing. So you have to substitute. So I have just taken out the value of t cube, okay? So I'm just going to write it as 4 into, so I'm not going to wait for the things we'll be getting from the derivative. So I'm just going to substitute it, okay? And this becomes ln x, because this t squared plus 1 is directly changed by this x over here. This is ln x, okay? Now let's think about this dt. So I'll be finding dx by dt from here. And that is 2t, okay? And then this dx over 2t, that is r. This time I need to know what is dt, because you can see here it is dt. So I want to replace this dt in terms of x, okay? So we have already got this t over here. This t, if you look at this, this is under root x minus 1. So I'll be writing this as dx over 2 under root x minus 1. Can you see that? Okay. So you go slow and you see that how these things, do not be panicked, do not confuse yourself. Seedha chale aap log. Now, it's the time to change the limits. When your x is, when your t is 0, basically we're given t. When your t is 0, we put t0 here, your x is going to be 1. So the lower limit is 1. When your t is 2, then your x is going to be 5. So the upper limit is 5. Is there any simplification over here in this area? Yes? Yeah. We can cancel this all with this. So only x minus 1 is left here. Because this power is 3 over 2 here. This power is half. So 3 over 2 minus half is 1. And there is no need to write that 1, but I'm still writing that 1 here, okay? So this 2 is cancelled with this 2, this 4. So we have this. And this has been multiplied inside. So this is finally, this I is going to be limit from 1 to 5. This is 2x minus 2. And this is ln x dx. That is the first of this half of this question. Now it says in this next part, find the exact value. So how will you integrate this? By parts. So you're seeing that there is a product over here, okay? So when you say that this has to be integrated by parts, so what will be your u and what will be your v dash? Yeah, ln x has to be u, because we don't know how to integrate this, okay? So now, this is ln x as it is, and this is going to be the integral x squared minus 2x. Okay? Charlene and Mariam, control yourself, beta. Okay, so ln x derivative is 1 over x. And we have the same integral here, integral here, okay? So this is here. And you see that if I take a common from this, this is going to be x into x minus 2. So I'm doing that so that I can cancel this x with this x, okay? So we have here this x square minus 2x ln x, and we have here still this x minus 2 to be integrated, okay? So now just one more step and then the integration will be over. So this is x squared minus 2x ln x, and then there is minus x squared over 2, and then there is plus 2x, and finally I'm going to put the limits on it. The limits are from 1 to 5. So when I put 5 here, this is 25 minus 10, 15 ln 5 minus 25 over 2 plus 10. Then I put 1 here. What is ln 1? 0. ln 1 is 0. So all of this will be 0. And you must use the brackets here. 0 minus half plus 2. Okay? And this should give us, this is 12.5, 2.5, this is 1.5, I think that is 4. I think this is 4. You can check it yourself, okay?